This is the EComposer editor. On the left-hand side, you will see these Navigator and Elements tabs. We can design our entire page using these elements. We also have the Navigator here, and if you click on Sections, you'll find hundreds of pre-made sections that you can use on your page. We also have templates here, which contain all the pre-made templates. I'll show you how to use these sections and templates, but first, I'll show you how you can design the page using these elements. First of all, we need to select a structure for our page. You can see different structures here, which are made of different rows and columns. For now, I will select this second structure, which is made of one row and two columns. Okay, now I only need to drag and drop these elements in these rows and columns to design my page. For example, I will select this banner element and then drop it on this section. And as soon as I did that, that banner appeared on my page. And on the left-hand side, you'll see the editing options for this banner. Now, I can click on this delete button to remove this image. And then I can add my own image by clicking on this select image button. You can also select some free stock images from here, but I personally don't recommend this option as these images are very basic and many other stores are already using it. Instead, I will design my own banner using a tool called Canva. Canva is arguably one of the best graphic design tools right now. You can use it to design your banners, logos, and much more. Simply go to Canva and then click on Custom Size. Here, I will enter the custom size of the banner and then I will click on Create a New Design. This will take me to the Canva editor where I can design a banner for my store. On the left-hand side, you'll see some templates. Simply go to this search bar and search for banners, and you'll get hundreds of templates to choose from. I can also search for more specific terms like shoes, sneakers, and much more. And as you can see, Canva is now showing me more relevant results. For now, I will select this simple banner. Next, I will select all these texts here and then remove them at once. I will remove all the text from this page. There are a lot of editing options on the left side, but for now, I will take this banner for example. So I will simply download this banner from here. Next, I will go back to my store editor and then upload this banner here. Next, I will click on this banner and select it for my page. And as you can see, the banner is now visible here. And now we can make some changes to it from the left settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see these options. If I go to Content here, I will be able to change all these texts that are available on the banner. For now, I will remove all these sample texts from the banner. Next, we also have the Settings tab. I can enable or disable the overlay effect from the banner. Next, I can also change the position of this button using these options. And then I can also add my own content by going to the Content tab here. And just like this, the first section of our store is complete. Next, we have these two columns here. I can add more elements here to design the page even further. From the Elements tab, I will choose a heading element for the first column. And from the left settings, I can change these texts as well. We also have the Presets option here, which contains lots of different styles which we can use in our store design. I will select this preset, for example, and then I can simply go back and change these sample content. Next, I will select an image element and drop it onto this second column. And just like we added the banner, I will add an image here. Next, I will choose a text element and drop it below the heading. I can use it as a subheading. Next, I will select this icon list element and drop it below the subheading. I can also change the icon position and layout using these settings. We also have the presets option here, which contains a lot of different styles to choose from. Next, I will choose a button from the Elements tab and drop it below the icon list. I can change the text from the left settings. And then I can also try some presets for the button as well. I will have to change the text once again, and then I will also link one of my collections to this button. And just like this, the second section of our store is also complete. On the left-hand side, you'll see dozens of elements that you can use on your page. For example, I will select this video element and drop it on this canvas. You can add your own videos by going to the External URL option on the left settings. To delete any element from the page, you only need to select the element and then click on this Delete option, and the element will be removed from the page. You can also use the gallery element to showcase your latest product images, customers' take, and similar things. You can simply click on these placeholder options and then add some images into it, which will be visible on your store.